Guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. So I thought I'll do this video especially regarding the SEBI circular on the margin. So a lot of people ask me. I know most of you guys would have read this already, but few people are still confused and beginners didn't understand or they are not aware at all about this particular thing. So I just thought I will just tell what I feel and what I have read through and what is my understanding. I'll just share with you like always. So yeah, I'll just show you the article which I read on Zerodha. I read few other articles also to confirm myself. So you can clearly see here. First, I'll explain in terms of their technicalities, and then I will explain in my simple words. So they are saying basically we need a margin of span plus exposure for FNO. People who are trading in futures and options, span and exposure is required, and people who are trading in equity, if you see here, you need VAR plus ELM for equity. Okay, value at risk or something. There are certain terminologies for that. So we need that money from now onwards, no matter whether it is MIS, bracket order or cover order, no problem. Okay, so now let me explain you in simple words. So the thing is, before you remember cash and carry. So if you want to carry your positions one day, that is after 3:30 market is closed, if you want to carry the next day, right, you need full money, cash and carry, right? So if you want to buy amount of 1 lakh share, you should have all full 1 lakh money in your account. So before it was like that. So but intraday we used to get leverage by 320 or like that 321. Broker used to auto square off if we don't exit. So our account used to be nil, nothing to carry forward. So they don't have to take any full money from us and report it to SEBI or whichever market regulators. So now what they are saying is that no matter it is intraday, which you are going to square off in the same day, no matter it is whether delivery or intraday, you need to take full money. That is upfront. You should take all the money. The broker should take money from traders. Okay, the full money they should take. Now in this, what is this full money? I showed you that VAT and that ELM and span and exposure for futures. That is the value what they're saying they have to collect before only. So before we used to get 20 times and all. So no problem we used to get. Now what's gonna happen? It's gonna reduce. Yes, in simple terms, it is gonna reduce. How much it is gonna reduce? For that also, see, for equity, like they have told, Zerodha has given a sheet which says VAR percentage ELM. So for example, SBIN, if I'm trading in SBIN, I need to give 7.5% and 5% minimum. So around 12.5%, right? Yeah. So 12.5% margin I should have. So for example, to buy 1 lakh amount of shares, I need 12.5% margin. That is 12,500 I need in my account. So that will come close to 8 times only. Before we used to get how much? 15 times, 20 times we used to get. Now it has been reduced. So different stocks have. So most of the stocks, Nifty 50 stocks, I have like this, I guess 12.5. That is 8 times margin from now on. A very rare few stocks we have additional margins here, and I think you get 3 times, 4 times, 5 times like that. Anyways, you can check the sheet in their website. It is there. But yeah, most of the stocks are having 8 times exposure. So 20 times is gonna reduce to maximum 8 times, and some stocks lesser than that. So we have to pay so much of money. Before we used to not pay so much of money. Yeah, so that is a major thing. And for futures people, so whoever is trading in futures, they have given every link is here. So you can click this link here, click this list here, and margin calculators here. You can calculate. So I have already opened it for you. So let's say you're trading in futures. Now we want to buy one lot of ACC, let's say ACC only 400. Now let's calculate buy. So you see span plus exposure, this is what they have mentioned there. So total margin required is 1,07,000 to buy one lot of ACC. That is 400 shares is one lot, right? Lot size 400. So before you could have bought this for 25,000 or 30,000. Now you need 1 lakh rupees. So they are saying you need to collect this full money before doing, let's say, intraday, or you're gonna hold it for tomorrow or something like that. You need to have whole money so much of money in your account. So yes, definitely small traders, it will be difficult for them to buy one lot of ACC if they don't have money. So people who are trading before should add more money, three times at least, three times the money they had to get one lot of futures. And equity, like I told you, basically small traders also can trade, just that we are going to get 8 times, right? Because we need 12.5% in our account to buy that 100% of that share. Okay, so if I want to buy 1 lakh, I should have 12,500 in my account. So equity, definitely, now I'll just tell you my opinion. So equity traders, there are two things if you're feeling bad. So uh, if you are a beginner, then no matter, you didn't know about 20 times, 15 times, so you're not addicted to it. So 8 times is more than enough for you, because 10, let's say 10,000 you're putting and 80,000 you're getting in account, you're still happy, because a beginner doesn't know about this. But a old trader who was trading for 15, 20 times, definitely it will hurt, because your profit which you're getting, let's say 1,500 rupees you're getting profit, now let's say you may get only 600 rupees profit for the same target what you're gonna hit, point 0.3 let's say. So 600, so your profit is gonna reduce. So one thing what you have to do is, either you have to increase your capital now, because if you want the same profit, if not, you should be happy with the profit you are getting. So this is the difference which is gonna happen. And for FNO, you cannot buy lot just like that with less share, like equity you can buy less shares, but FNO minimum one lot. So yeah, you should have that full money. So many people may reduce, I mean small traders may reduce trading from FNO, but equity I don't think so it will reduce. But yeah, maybe the volume in the market will reduce, and these brokerage firms revenue will go down if they're taking percentage wise brokerage, then only. But most of them taking per trade 20% or less than that, but still, yeah, still it hurts for them. And but remember guys, there are advantages and disadvantages. Profit is gonna go down, definitely, but same way advantages, your losses also will go down. So remember, in market it is profit and loss, so you will sustain more in the market. Before we used to get some 20, 30 times, so let's say 3.5% goes against you, account wipeout. But now if you're getting 8 times, 12.5% to 12% has to go to wipe out your account. So you'll stay more in the market as a beginner, and you will learn a lot during this period when you stay along. So advantage and disadvantage is that just a mindset. So as a part of Smart Trader family, I would say don't feel bad, because changes will be coming. So we need to adjust to the changes, like market trend changes, rules also change. So we need to be ready for any rules. Until now it is not implemented. As of today's date what I'm talking, it is not implemented. So like in my live trading video which you saw till Friday, I am trading with margin only. Around 15 to 16 times I got for cover order, right? So it is not yet implemented. Till then we can use it, but SEBI may tell a date, brokers will get to know, and then we will get to know which is the date it will get effective. So hope, yeah, my wish is it should not happen, but yeah, if it happens, then we need to be ready for it. And no matter what, we have to go with it and just trade however it is. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If I get further news about it, or if I find something more about it, I will definitely share with you guys. As of now, so more learning videos to come and more advising videos to come, and also here and there I will put live trading videos, because too much of live trading videos as always. So anyways, thank you so much. Hit that like and share on this video, so that all your friends and beginners will understand about this. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.